ICSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 19, Exercise, Self-Evaluation and Revision. Question number 26. Find the mean of the following distribution by step deviation method. देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 क्लास इंटरवल दिया हुआ है. क्लास 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now the class mark, that is x, so the mid of this 20 plus 30, that is divided by 2, that is 25, 30 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 35, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 45, and so on up to 55, 66, 75. Now take the deviation. First of all, we have to take assumed mean. Here I have taken the assumed mean 45. So 25 minus 45 minus 20, 35 minus 45, that is minus 10, 45 minus 45, 0, 55 minus 45, 10, 65 minus 45, 20, 75 minus 45, 30. Now, in order to find the value of t, deviation, we have to divide deviation by class interval. That is, you see the class interval 20 to 30, that is 10. So, minus 20 divided by 10, that is minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10, that is minus 1. 0 divided by 10, that is 0. 10 divided by 10, that is 1. 20 divided by 10, that is 2. 30 divided by 10, that is 3. Now, we have got the value of t. We take the frequency from the given data in the book. So 10, 6, 8, 12, 5, 9 and total is 50. Find out the product of the f and t. Means t is just above written. So 10 into minus 2, that is minus 20. 6 into minus 1, that is minus 6. 8 into 0, 0. 12 into 1, 12. 5 into 2, 10. 9 into 3, 27. Find out the algebraic sum. Algebraic sum of ft, that is 23. So the value of, this is the step deviation. So now the mean, that is x bar, that is equal to assumed mean, that is 45 plus, this is the correction work. So 45 plus 23 by 50 into 10. It will be equal to 45 plus 4.6. Again, it will be equal to 49.6. And this will be the answer of question number 26. Now come to the question number 27. Here, the marks obtained by 120 students in the test are given below. The marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Number of the students are respectively 5, 9, 16, 22, 26, 18, 11, 6, 4, 3. Here the question says, use the suitable scale for OGIP to estimate the following: the median, the number of the students who obtained the more than 75% marks in the test, the number of the students who did not pass the test if the minimum marks required to pass is 40. So, you see here, with the given data, now we have to prepare the cumulative frequency, that is 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 16, that is 30. 30 plus 22, 52. 52 plus 26, 78. 78 plus 18, that is 96. 96 plus 11, 107. 107 plus 6, 113. 113 plus 4, 117. 117 plus 3, 120. So n by 2, that is 120 divided by 2, it will be equal to 60. Median will be equal to 40 plus 60 minus 52 whole upon 26 into 10. That will be equal to 40 plus 40 by 13. That will be equal to 40 plus 3.07. Again, it will be equal to 43.07. Now, we have to solve this question with the help of the graph. Let us do it. You see, first of all we have to plot the point on the graph sheet. So 25, 20 to 14, 20, 14, 30, 30, 40, 52, 50, 78, 60, 96, 70, 107, 80, 113, 90, 117, 100, 120. Now in order to find out the median, what you do that you n by 2 that is 60. So locate that point, 60 is here. Now draw the line parallel to the x-axis which intersect from the intersecting point on the ogive. Drop a perpendicular on x-axis that will give you the median, that is 42.5. Now the student who secured less than 40% marks are failed students. So from here you draw a line parallel to y-axis from 40, which will intersect on the ogive at somewhere here. From this point, intersection point, draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect y-axis at this point, that is 52. So from this point to this point means 52 students failed. Failed students are 52. This is the second part of the answer. Now the third part says that the number of the students who did not pass the test, marks required to pass is 40. This is completed. Now the number of the students who obtained more than 75% marks in the test. So 75% marks is here. From this point you draw a line parallel to y-axis which intersect the ogive at this point. From this point you draw a line parallel to x-axis, that is 110. It will intersect at the point y-axis at 110. So difference between 120 and 110, that is equal to 10. So the student scored more than 75 marks are 10. This is the second part. Now come to the question number 28. The numbers 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 and x are arranged in ascending order. If the mean of the observation is equal to the median, find the value of x. अब देखिए यहाँ पर नंबर जो दिया हुआ है 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 and x. Here condition is mean is equal to median. So find out the median here first. The 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2, that is, you see, so 10 plus 12 divided by 2, that is 22 divided by 2. 10 plus 12, ये दो नंबर आएंगे बीच में. So 10 plus 12 divided by 2, that will be equal to 22 divided by 2, 11. So 11 is, now the 11th term means 11th will be the median. 11 will be the median. Now we have got the value of x bar. X bar, that is the mean, that will be equal to 11. So 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus x whole divided by 6, because these are the 6 numbers. So divided by 6. So it will be equal to 4.9 plus x whole divided by 6. It is equal to 11. Now cross multiply it. So 4.9 plus 49 plus x is equal to 66. It will be equal to, x is equal to 66 minus 49, again it will be equal to 17. So x, the value of x will be equal to 17 here. It is 17. Now question number 29. Calculate the mean of the distribution given below using the shortcut method. With the help of shortcut method we have to find You see the marks are given here 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. This class is inclusive class. So we have to convert it into exclusive. So 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5. And subsequently we have to find the class mark. So the class mark will be 15.5, 25.5, 35.5, 45.5, 55.5, 45.5, 75.5. In this way we will find out the class mark after making the exclusive class. Now we have to take the deviation, means x minus a. Here assumed mean, which I have taken it 45.5. Assumed mean is 45.5. So 15.5 minus 45.5, that is minus 30. 25.5 minus 45.5, that is minus 20. 35.5 minus 45.5, that is minus 10. So 45.5 minus 45.5, that is 0. 55.5 minus 45.5, that is 10. 65.5 minus 45.5, that is 20. 75.5 minus 45.5, that is 30. Now the frequency is given already in the book, that is 2, 6, 10, 12, 9, 7, 4, and total is 50. Now find out the product of the f and d, because the shortcut method is there. So f into d, that is minus 30 into 2, that is minus 60, minus 20 into 6, that is minus 120, minus 10 into 10, that is minus 100, 0 into 12, that is 0, 9 into 10, that is 90, 7 into 20, that is 140, 30 into 4, that is 120. Now find the summation of sigma fd. Means sigma fd means that is the summation of fd. That will be the algebraic sum. First of all, you have to just add minus and add plus sign. Find out the difference, that will be equal to 70. So mean is equal to 45.5, that is assumed mean. 75 by 50, that will be equal to 45.5, 1.4. It will be equal to 46.9. Because you see the assumed mean is 45.5, sigma fd is 70, n is 50. Now come to the question number 30. Use the graph paper for these questions. The daily pocket expenses of 200 students in a school is given below. देखिए marks, there is 0 to 5, 5 to 10 to 5 to 10, 10 to 15, to 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and so. Now the frequency 10, 14, 28, 42, 50, 30, 14, 12. Total is 200. As per the calculation, the mode will be equal to the maximum frequency column, this is the 20. 50 minus 42 means preceding class, whole upon 2 into 50 minus 42 minus 30 means preceding and succeeding of mode class, multiplied by the class interval, that is 5. So 20 plus 8 by 28 into 5, that will be equal to 20 plus 10 by 7, that will be equal to 20 plus 1.42, and it will be equal to 21.42. Now this can be represented on the graph also. You see the 0 to 5, that is 10, 5 to 10, that is 14, 10 to 15, that is 28, vertical height. So here we get highest frequency column histogram. The adjacent to, there are two adjacent rectangles. Now join the corner of the adjoining rectangle. The intersecting point, we just find out the intersecting point of these two diagonals, and that will be equal to 21.5. The mode graphically we have worked out, it is equal to 21.5, whereas mathematically it is 21.42.